Hi, on this part of the installation, we'll teach you how to use the quick release mount for the new AIM Sport Tactical Scope. First, what you want to do is loosen up the screw in the back right here. Rotate the lever to a 90-degree angle. Clip the scope onto your gun. Now remember, keep the lever at a 90-degree angle, and then tighten up this screw to the optimal tightness of your gun, and then also tighten up this lock nut right here. Once you get it to the optimal setting, rotate this lever back and your scope is in place. And then for quick release, move the lever to the front, scope comes off, clip it back in, and you're ready to go.